Welcome to Explain America. I'm your host, Kyle Becker. Well, rogue judges are at it again. They're not stopping for Labor Day, although you think that socialists would honor this holiday after all. No, they have to interfere with midnight rulings that compromise Donald Trump's political agenda that, people actually voted for. But before we get into this story of a judge actually separating parents from their children, ridiculous, please like, share, and comment at Explain America. Join us. We appreciate your support for common sense journalism. Now, rogue judges, what are we going to do about them? It's a great question because they continue to get more and more brazen. Nobody's getting removed from office. Okay, Speaker Johnson and John Thune in the Senate there. Nothing's happening to these people, so they're just going to keep doing it. They're like children, if they keep being naughty and acting up and you don't take away their juice boxes and you don't put them in timeout in their little pack and play, they're just going to keep doing it. And that's what we have in the United States with these radicals. Well, the latest one, and this is absolutely, I can't believe this should be illegal, what this judge is doing. Her name is Sparkle, by the way. I mean, if you haven't heard of this judge. A Biden-appointed federal judge abruptly blocked the Trump administration from flying out hundreds of illegal alien children over Labor Day weekend after immigrant advocacy groups rushed to court claiming Trump was carrying out a mass deportation in the dead of night. Well, who cares when it is, and who cares if he's mass deporting illegal aliens? Because, I don't know, we have immigration laws? I don't know. Seems like perfectly reasonable to me. But the emergency order by U.S. District Judge Sparkle Suknanan froze a pilot program the administration said would reunite nearly 700 kids with parents or guardians in Guatemala. By the time the judge intervened, charter buses had already rolled up to planes in Harlingen and El Paso, and in some cases, children were already on board awaiting departure to go back to their parents. Now, Justice Department lawyer Drew Ensign told the court, these are not removals under the statute. These are repatriations. All of these children have parents or guardians in Guatemala who have requested their return. But advocacy groups who don't give a damn about the law and don't give a damn about Americans and don't give a damn about what's right rejected that explanation, with the National Immigration Law Center Efren Olivares firing back that it is a dark and dangerous moment when our government chooses to target orphan 10-year-olds. Well, this lawsuit, LGML versus Nome, was filed just after 1 a.m. on Sunday, accusing the Trump administration of skirting a 2008 law that immigrants' rights groups often cite to shield minors from removal. So the Trump administration insists the flights were lawful reunifications negotiated with Guatemala's government, while advocacy groups argue the kids are being rushed out without hearings or the chance to pursue asylum. I don't know, by third parties sticking their nose in business where it doesn't belong so they can try to court more Democrat voters in the future? You be the judge. Well, Guatemala's foreign minister confirmed the country is ready to take the children, with President Bernardo Arevalo calling it a moral and legal obligation. But who doesn't give a damn about moral and legal obligations? Democrats! And this judge is just another case of that. So if you have any thoughts of your own, please like, share, and comment. Add your voice. We really appreciate hearing it.